Welcome to this tutorial on whole ebook lending in Tipasa. The tutorial will outline steps in Tipasa associated with an ebook request from the VIVA Whole package. The steps in the process are simply guidelines and can be adapted to local needs. In Tipasa, I examine the ebook request for any notes or special conditions. The borrower has stated a preference for the ebook. I consult with the VIVA Whole ebook ILL product-specific recommendations to determine if I can lend this ebook. The Whole package does allow for lending of full book PDF downloads for all perpetual access titles. I locate the title in the Whole collection, download the ebook, and save it by IL number. I attach the ebook file to the request via article exchange, just as I would a journal article. In accordance with VIVA guidelines, in the Lending Notes field, I indicate the ebook publisher and send the ebook like I would any other request. Thank you for watching this tutorial on whole ebook lending in Tipasa.